We're here at the New Scientist Live, and the future of engineering is here today, because there's a lot of school kids out there, and they are the future of engineering. And it's my job and the job of RS Components and people like that to encourage those kids into STEM subjects and into engineering.
I think having STEAM in the curriculum for the younger generation is really inspiring for them. Sometimes there are people or children that don't understand actually what those careers are available to them. And science, technology, engineering, arts and maths allows those kids to get inspired and actually see what is possible for their future.
Technology is just going to get bigger and bigger, and I just think there are so many kind of pathways our students can take, and I think it's just really exciting coming here to see how all STEM arenas can amalgamate and form some wonderful innovations.
Science, technology, engineering and maths is 100% about solving human problems. There has to be some impact at the end of it, not just a financial impact, changing people's lives.
Everybody has a challenge, but some of the children we work with just have a little bit bigger of a challenge. STEAM will allow other people like me to be able to solve more problems like this and get kids to do ever much more cool stuff.
STEM in the modern world is really important because it underpins building almost everything these days. Now we've moved into a digital environment, things cross boundaries. Now design has pulled together all of the elements of technology, engineering, mathematics into one sort of conglomeration, with design being critical.
I think what attracted me to engineering was just the sense that it gives you the sort of legitimate reason to disassemble things, to understand how they work, but then put them back together in a completely different way that amazes you or inspires you, hopefully does something useful for the world, but I think also sometimes just have fun.